A riot in Jerusalem. This is really an active story, and because of all the activity, it's not a hard one to learn. But what I have done, I have divided it up into 4 parts, and if you can kind of remember those 4 parts, you'll get the general flow of the story so you don't leave anything out. I call the 4 parts 4 different Gentile situations. Each one of these is a Gentile situation which causes a problem, which comes to a solution. So that happens 4 times. I'm going to go through it quickly with you so that you can kind of see the general thing, and then we'll go back and we'll learn how to connect these together, and then we'll learn each one. This is how it goes. There's a Gentile situation in the fact that Paul tells about how Gentiles are receiving Christ, which causes a problem. They hear about this rumor. The solution, 4 men are taking a vow. The second Gentile situation is that they see Paul in the temple and think there's a Gentile in the temple. So I should simply say Gentile in the temple. Problem? They beat Paul. Solution? The guards put him in chains. The third situation is they see the Gentile guards, soldiers, moving Paul away from them. Problem? They shout, "Kill him! Kill him!" Solution? They lift Paul up on their shoulders and carry him out. At this point, you might want to point your thumbs over the shoulder because Paul gives his testimony about what happened to him in the past, how he met Jesus. But the Gentile situation is he says the word Gentiles. This causes 2 problems. The Jews shout, "Kill him!" The Roman commander says, "Whip him!" Solution? I'm a Roman citizen. Okay, that's the overview. Now let me go back and connect those together. Get your hands up, and just this right here is Gentiles receiving Christ. They are praising God. Gentiles receiving Christ. Gentiles in the temple. Gentile soldiers moving Paul away from them. Paul says the word Gentile. Okay, let's repeat that and then work on that until you get those 4 Gentile situations down. What are they? Gentiles receiving Christ. They see Gentile in the temple. Gentile soldiers moving Paul away from them. Paul says the word Gentile. Practice that until you get it. Come back and we'll go through and deal with each one of those until we have it down. Now the first one is, what is it? Gentiles receiving Christ. And bring your hand down. They've heard rumors. And you know what you can listen to the story and see what the rumor is, but they hear rumors. Solution? 4 men have taken a vow. Let's just do it again. Gentiles receiving Christ. We've heard rumors. 4 men taking a vow. Second situation, they see what they think is Gentile in temple. They beat Paul. Solution? Roman guards put him in chains. Let's put those 2 together now. We have Gentiles receiving Christ. Heard rumors. 4 men taking a vow. Gentile in temple. Beating Paul. Romans put him in chains. Then we have Romans moving him away. Problem is, kill him, kill him. They pick Paul up on their shoulders. Pointing back, Paul gives his testimony. Situation is he says the word Gentile. Kill him, whip him. One's Jew and one is the commander. Kill him, whip him. I am a Roman citizen. Okay, let's go through the whole thing, and then I want you to practice that, and then you'll be amazed how easy this story is to tell. Let's start off by saying, I will try to follow you. Try to keep just ahead of me. Gentiles receiving Christ. We hear rumors. Solution, 4 men taking a vow. Gentile in temple. Problem, beating Paul. Solution, put him in chains. Romans moving him away. Problem, kill him. They pick Paul up on their shoulder. He gives his testimony. He says the word Gentile. Kill him, whip him. Solution, I'm a Roman citizen. Okay, practice that a few times. Once you get those 4 divisions and break those down, you'll just be amazed. This is a fun story to tell. What I recommend, though, is to learn the next story as well. Learn the plot to kill, and then put these 2 together. You'll be amazed how it'll keep people's attention. And people will say, I don't remember that even being in the Bible. Or, I knew it was in the Bible, but you've told it in such an interesting way. I'll never forget it. So learn both stories and put them together. Well, the Lord bless you as you continue to learn stories from the book of Acts.